Alright, so happy to be vlogging again. So today we're going to a waterfall. It's one that I've been to quite often. I know it fairly well. It's gotten popular in the last few years, but it's a Saturday and I'm just happy to be outside again, so I'm just getting the content while I can, you know. So I hope you guys enjoy. This one is on the beaten path, not off the beaten path, and it should be fun. I'm doing it with a couple friends. Stay safe, like, subscribe, comment, share, the works. And yeah, hope you enjoy this episode.
845.
So we're going to a spot that I usually go to. It's been recently fenced up, but it's fun out there with Travis. And remind me of your name. Renee. Yeah. And so check in.
And they don't have a lot of those in the world.
Yeah.
So when she went to her new hospital, she's like
Yeah. All right, we're about to get to the falls. Look like a little crowd up here, but we'll make it work. Anything you want to say to the camera, Travis? Or should I call you Habibi?
do some outdoor stuff, you might enjoy it.
Anything you want to say, Renee? Loving it? Loving it? Oh gosh, man. Yeah, this is why we... Oh. Alright. This is why we make that happen, man. We like to get outdoors. We like to connect back to nature. Remember that you're part of a bigger picture. You know? So, I hope you're enjoying this. That's the falls! And I build up a little fire. This is for the mosquitoes. I love this spot. Okay, so I don't know if you're hearing me very well, but we're about to leave the waterfall. It's pretty awesome. I think a little rain is upstream, so we're gonna take our time. You guys can wave. Yeah. It's pretty awesome out there. If you're coming out, based on that last episode on cleaning up Jamaica, trash the treasure, you should definitely bring back your trash if you come to a place like this. All right, anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'll share the link. There's a guy named Lee here who you come and you pay $5 bills, he keeps the place clean. I support it 100%. So if you come in, ask for Lee and be careful. when you come out here. Enough love, like, subscribe, comment, share, the works. All right, guys, puff.